Here we have the current stock market update for Maxeon Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. So, as we know, anybody that's trading this stock is probably well familiar with the broader trend that is currently in place for this name. As we can see here, if we just pull out just a bit on the price chart, we can see that almost all of the activity is focused in the negative direction. Some of this activity is posted in the upward direction. For example, roughly, if we go back to August 5th, we can see some upward price movement here. However, this price movement to the top side was somewhat limited, and we did start to see prices start to decline again very quickly. And as that occurred, we did break some very significant support zones in the process. So in this video, we're going to be going over some of these key price levels that will need to be watched in order for traders to sort of reverse these trading losses and to start to post gains in the positive direction. With a stock like this, it can be very difficult because most of the momentum has been focused on the downside. So we do really need to watch some of these price levels very closely. So in particular, what we're looking at currently is a price level that comes in just below 11.6 cents. We're sort of flatlining here a bit at current levels. We have seen a bit of a range trade here that has started to develop, roughly 11.5 cents to the downside, and then roughly 11.7 cents to the top side. So a lot of people are interested in getting into this stock because of its low share price value. With that in mind, I can understand that to some extent because it is easy to buy many shares, and then if the stock price does sort of rocket higher, you own many shares, and it becomes possible to capture large profits at that point. However, there are many other small cap stocks that are found in this space that I do think are more attractive, and I discuss those in my YouTube members trading room. And we do have many small cap stocks that do have very low share price values like this, that do have extremely strong fundamentals and potential for much stronger upside. For example, 2 weeks ago, we have a trade that is already up about 46%. All of the trades that are taken in that trading room are in positive territory. I believe the worst trade at the moment is plus 10%. I think it has a 10% gain. But when we're dealing with a stock like this, it's clear that a lot of momentum is focused in the downside direction, and sometimes it is better to just move into a different stock. And if anybody's interested in doing that, we do have many other options in the trading room. So as things currently stand, we're sort of breaking back below this 11.6 cents mark, and the levels that I'm currently watching to the downside for this name right now come in at roughly 11.2 cents. And then there are also reasons to believe that 11.3 cents could start to work as some support. The reason that I mention these areas mostly comes from the fact that these were the price lows that developed in previous trading sessions. This would be trading support levels that formed this week. So there is some near-term reason to believe that these could start to support prices here going forward. As we can see, the last time the stock price managed to test 11.3 cents, we did see some gains here, moving into roughly 12.1 cents. So you're looking at almost a full penny of gains at that point. However, these moves did start to reverse somewhat quickly, and if people were not very aggressive with taking those profits, it does then become possible to quickly get back those gains. So, for these reasons, I do recommend some of the other stocks that are in the trading room more than Maxeon Solar. As things currently stand, we can see that for the most part, we're flatlining here. And in many cases, when this starts to happen with the stock, it's really just marking a consolidation pattern before the stock starts to head lower once again. So, we're in a bit of a dangerous trend here as far as the broader trend is concerned. So we really have to believe that the stock is ready to start to form some near-term support zones in order to really justify continuing to buy this stock or even to continue to average down. There are many other small cap stocks that are available in the market, and in some instances, those stocks are far outperforming larger cap stocks like Nvidia and Microsoft and Apple and things like that. As things currently stand on the relative strength index, we can say that we're starting to roll out of oversold territory. So that is a positive price movement here. If we're looking at the indicator reading itself, we have started to roll out of oversold territory, but at the same time, we have also given away this upward trend in the share price momentum that is being seen with the relative strength index. So essentially what this tells us is that the broader footing, the broader positive footing that the stock was managing to maintain for itself has recently broken. This has happened over the last roughly over the last hour. So, this current uptrend has now run its course, and it's now possible that we're going to start to see some further declines like we saw previously. So, what we're really mostly seeing with this stock is really kind of a stair step, kind of a pattern here. We see price declines, and then we see a period of sideways consolidation, and then we see the next movement lower. So it really has been quite difficult for people to capture gains in this stock, because even when we're trading sideways, it's in most cases, this is just an opportunity for the stock to kind of gather itself before making the next price movement lower here. Like here, for example, we can see this happen again. If we sort of look at this price movement here. So, overall, I would like to hear some stories from people about when exactly people did enter their trades, so that we can sort of figure out exactly what is going on with individual traders. You can feel free to leave those comments in the comment section, explaining exactly when you got into the trade. Maybe how much you're down in the trade if you are currently down. I mean, in a stock like this with a trend like this, it's very difficult to be posting gains. So I don't think that there are very many people that are in positive territory on this stock. I think for the most part, the people that I have seen in comments for the prior videos that I've done on this stock, most of the people are trading underwater at this point. So they are trading, in unprofitable positions. Their trades are below zero. So, that is a bit concerning, especially when we start to see, continual price moves lower like this. And I do think that there can be more discussions about some alternate stock choices that can be chosen, because as things currently stand, what we're really looking at this point is a support zone that comes in at roughly 11.3 cents. We just broke below 11.6 cents. So it is possible that we could drift a bit lower here and then possibly find some support. But when we're looking at the overall trajectory here, the broader trend pattern, the history of declines here, you do see some examples of gains here. I'm not saying that they don't happen, because we can find some examples of these, but they're relatively small in nature. The size of the upward movement is not very large, and then the time that is allowed for people to actually collect profits in those positions is actually somewhat small as well. So if you're not quick with taking gains, it can be very easy to start to turn those trades into losing trades once again. So here's the current market update for Maxeon Solar Technologies Limited, stock ticker MAXN. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.